Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will learn English with Vietnamese food. The food is called Bánh Xèo. In English, we say Vietnamese pancake. This pancake is very famous in Vietnam. It is crispy, it is tasty, and many people love it. About Bánh Xèo. Bánh Xèo is a thin pancake. It is big, it is round, and it is yellow. Why is it yellow? Because we use rice flour and turmeric powder. The pancake is cooked in a hot pan. When it is ready, it is crispy on the outside and soft inside. Inside the pancake, there are many fillings. For example, shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts. Sometimes people add mushrooms. Sometimes people add onions. How we eat Bánh Xèo? How do we eat Bánh Xèo? We do not eat it alone. We eat it with fresh vegetables. We eat it with herbs like mint and basil. And we dip it in fish sauce. The pancake, the vegetables, and the sauce together make a perfect taste. Important words. Here are some important words: pancake, rice flour, shrimp, pork, bean sprouts, vegetables, fish sauce, crispy. Repeat after me. Pancake, rice flour, shrimp, pork, bean sprouts, vegetables, fish sauce, crispy. Practice sentences. Now let's practice some simple sentences. I like eating Bánh Xèo. Bánh Xèo is a crispy pancake. The pancake has shrimp and pork. We eat Bánh Xèo with vegetables. Fish sauce makes Bánh Xèo delicious. Say them slowly. Say them clearly. Good job. That's all for today. Thank you for learning English with Vietnamese pancake, Bánh Xèo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time. Bye.